Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify can't open type of this link. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify can't open type of this link, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of app and for you we click on first stop. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. We go to your airplane mode, you can turn on your airplane. And in the end, you can go to your Play Store, you will search about Spotify and you can click uninstall to install your app again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.